Teri from the GCLS Swedesboro Library, bringing you a special summer reading STEM project. We're going to make some fairy dough. So I made one batch, and I love messing around with making and experimenting, making Play-Dohs and slimes. So this feels really nice. The only bad thing about my first batch here is that it's not very colorful, so I'm hoping the next one will come out better. So that's one of the fun things, is that you get to experiment and play around with different things and see what works the best for you. So what you need to make fairy dough is you need a big bowl, you need some measuring cups, you need cornstarch, and you need some kind of conditioner. Now the first time I used a conditioner that had some blue coloring in it, so I'm thinking that maybe that's why mine didn't come out a pretty color. Now this one is white, I think, so I think white would work better for dyeing. It also said that you could add glitter, if you want to try some glitter. Now when I see it a little bit in here, but it seems like the glitter just disappeared. Now it mentioned like a colorful glitter, and I've never seen that. I usually buy gold or silver, but you guys are very clever and creative, so you may find something yourself. And again, it's just really fun to play with. So let's see. Oh, and you need food coloring. So if you have any food coloring, that would be great too. All right, so let's get started. So it says here that you need, I guess I need to sit here so you can see me, 1 cup of hair conditioner. So here's my cup, and we're going to try the white hair conditioner this time and hope that that'll make a better, can you see me pouring it here? There we go. It is very messy, so I also put down, so you might want to put like newspaper on your table. I also have some wax paper that I'm working with my Play-Doh on. So here is my spoon wet. So that is 1 cup of hair conditioner. And then we're going to use 2 cups of cornstarch. Now this says that if you want to color your dough, this is when you would add it, before you do the cornstarch. So I'm going to try to make some purple dough. And so my food coloring said to add 6 drops of red. So I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with my first dough, it didn't really blend very well either. So I don't know if it's because I realized that one says moisturizing, so maybe that had some stuff in it that wasn't really good. And 4 drops of blue. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see my stuff there. I'm going to mix that up. Alright, so now for the cornstarch, you're going to use 2 cups. So I just got a different cup just to keep things a little clean here. So I'm going to pour in 1 cup at a time of my cornstarch. And the cornstarch gets messy. That's what I mean about putting newspaper or something down. It's kind of like flour, and it gets all over the place. Okay. I'm going to add that. And we'll mix that around. So there's my consistency so far. And I'm going to add my 2nd cup in. I'm running out of cornstarch, so I have a 2nd box here. Okay, so I'm going to do another. If your mom has cookie cutters at home, that's always fun to make shapes and things with your Play-Doh. You could also try to make a fairy with your Play-Doh. That would be fun too. Making a little body and a head and wings. It still didn't make a very pretty color though. I mean, it made like a green. But it didn't make purple like I had wanted it to. And you have to just keep kneading. Now the first one definitely feels better than this one. This one really feels nice. The other one didn't feel quite as nice. So again, I think if you just play around with it, you might have to add a little more conditioner. Because now this one feels a little bit dry. It's still sticky though too. Alright, and then you can just mess around and play with it. Maybe make a fairy. Try different food colorings and glitters. You know, you can always try to make a little fairy. You know, roll your Play-Doh into a ball. And you can make a little body on it. Miss Teri's not doing very well making a fairy. But it's fun to play. But Miss Teri does like to mess around and play. I don't think my fairy came out very good. I'm going to have to keep playing. But that's all for now. So just have fun making your Play-Doh and let me know how your colors came out and your glitter and what you used. And maybe yours will come out even better than Miss Teri's dough. All right. Have a good time. Keep doing those activities and keep on reading. Bye.